Welcome to Bike Insight, your go-to destination for detailed motorcycle reviews. Today, we take a closer look at one of Honda's most exciting new launches, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, also known as the Baby Africa Twin. Designed to bridge the gap between midweight and full-size adventure motorcycles, this machine promises pure exploration without the bulk or high price tag. Design and styling. The Africa Twin 650 carries the unmistakable adventure DNA of its elder sibling. Its muscular tank, tall stance, and sharp LED headlights showcase a bold off-road personality. The blue color variant stands out with elegant white and black accents, giving it a premium and rugged look. The aerodynamic fairing and adjustable windshield provide both comfort and style, making it a head-turner on any terrain. Engine and performance. Powering the Africa Twin 650 is a parallel twin 650 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth torque delivery and highway-friendly performance. It offers around 75 horsepower, ensuring an ideal balance between power and control. The engine's refined nature, paired with Honda's signature reliability, makes it perfect for both daily commutes and long-distance adventures. Suspension and handling. Honda has equipped the Africa Twin 650 with a Showa suspension setup, offering long travel for confident off-road riding. Its lightweight chassis and low center of gravity provide excellent balance on uneven trails. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels ensure superior grip whether you're gliding on tarmac or exploring dirt tracks. Technology and features. In true Honda fashion, the Africa Twin 650 comes loaded with modern tech. A TFT digital display, riding modes, traction control, and optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT, elevate the riding experience. USB-C ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced ABS make it adventure-ready for modern riders. Adventure spirit. Built to go anywhere, the Africa Twin 650 embodies the spirit of adventure. Its comfortable seat, adjustable ergonomics, and impressive fuel range make it ideal for cross-country journeys. Whether you're tackling mountain trails or cruising highways, this mid-weight beast delivers confidence and freedom in every ride. Conclusion. With its perfect blend of power, comfort, and technology, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is set to redefine the adventure touring segment. For those who crave off-road thrills with everyday usability, this bike might just be the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching. This is Bike Insight, your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates.